What's the meaning of basilica? Basilica. Basilica.
Basilica. Basilica. A basilica is a large, important church building in the Catholic tradition. The word basilica comes from the Greek word basilic, which means royal. Originally, basilicas were public buildings used for meetings and other civic events. When the Roman Empire became Christianized, many of these buildings were converted into churches. Basilicas are typically characterized by their long rectangular shape, with an apse at one end where the altar is located. They often have columns or pillars supporting a ceiling or roof, and may include elaborate decorations such as mosaics, frescoes, or statues. Today, the term basilica is often used to refer to churches that have been granted special status by the Vatican.